Standing strong. Have a voice in the birth space. Mothers, you are in the driver's seat of your own birth. Your body, your birth, your choices. But it doesn't always feel that way. Doulas and birth partners learn how to advocate for your client or loved one without overshadowing their voice. In Standing Strong, we will also talk about practitioner violence and abuse, what it is and how to recognize it, your rights and the laws backing them, techniques for preventing it before you, your client, or loved one goes into labor, steps to take if you or your loved one is experiencing it, and put all of these techniques and tips into practice with role play. Standing Strong.